The other electronic components that we're going to be looking at is the crystal clock. A crystal is very simple. All it does is mostly to generate pulses, and those pulses make it possible for us to use them for precise timing. Because if a crystal clock is rated at 1 megahertz, for example, it means it sends 1 million pulses 1 million pulses 1 million pulses every second. If it's rated at 1 hertz, it means it sends 1 pulse per second. So it's used for timing, because when you once you know that if you want to time, if you connect that crystal clock to a microcontroller, for example, or any other digital circuit that can count pulses, then you have you can even create a wristwatch from there, because you already know that once you get 1 million pulses, it means 1 second has elapsed. So anytime you get 1 million pulses, you increase your time by 1 second, and you wait for another 1 million pulses and increase again by 1 second. So crystal clocks are used for precise timing. That's why you find them in wristwatches. They also use in oscillator circuits to set the frequency of the oscillator of the oscillator. They serve as head bits for computer chips, because without these crystal clocks, computer chips will not work. There must be a source of clocking before a computer chip can work, because every line of code or every step of program that computer executes is being triggered by the pulses from the clock. So without the pulses from the clock, the computer will not be able to execute any code, just be in one place. If you want to try, whenever your computer is working or doing something, just remove the clock. It will stop there. It will not pass where it was when you remove the clock. They also use as heartbeat for microcontrollers, because microcontrollers are just computer chips with enhanced features. This is the symbol for a crystal clock. This is a crystal oscillator. Crystal clock is the heart of the microcontroller. It's like the heartbeat of the microcontroller. Without it, the microcontroller cannot execute commands. It provides timing. Alright, this is a crystal oscillator. This is currently 8.00000. This means 8 megahertz. The 8 is the most important thing there. So this is an 8 megahertz crystal oscillator. It is used to drive the microcontroller. It's the heartbeat of the microcontroller. Without it, the microcontroller cannot execute codes, can't execute commands.